Hi, it's Mark from Excel Sports Coaching, and today we're going to be doing a stop turn. Okay, so we're going to work through it. So I'm just going to show you straight away what a stop turn looks like, and then we'll break it down into different sections. Okay, so stop turn, nice and simple. You're going to need a little bit of space, not massive amounts. Okay, first thing you need to do is start dribbling with that ball. So dribble, okay, stop the ball, over the ball, then push it back. Okay, so let's break it down. So you're going to dribble, stop the ball with the bottom of your foot, so the sole, okay, over, then push the ball back into the space. So if you do it at real speed, okay, so it's really important that you go in at speed, stop that ball, push away. Okay, so one more time. So dribble at speed, stop the ball, and away. Okay, really make sure that ball stops so it's there. Foot on top of the ball, jump over the ball. Okay, so watch again. So when we're stopping the ball, make sure it's still. Okay, so you run in, ball still. Okay, turn, change direction, push the ball back into the space. Okay, watch again. Okay, so remember, at speed, foot on top of the ball, jump over the ball. As you jump over, you then need to turn your body back towards the ball. Okay? So dribbling, foot on top, turn that body, push, run away. Stop, over, push, back you go. Okay? Stop, push off, dribble with the ball away. So as you'll notice, okay, stopping the ball, next thing is jumping over the ball. As you jump over, make sure you're pushing off, okay, and taking the ball with the opposite foot. Okay, so I've been dribbling with my right foot, should be pushing the ball with my left, back into the space, accelerating away. So it's there, stop, over, push the ball, accelerate again. So dribble, stop, over the ball, push it back with that left foot, accelerate away. Okay, so accelerate, stop the ball, over, push that ball with the left foot, accelerate into the space. Okay, it's really important after you do the stop turn and you change direction that you accelerate away, okay, because you should be trying to get away from that defender. So it's there, foot on top of the ball, jump over the ball, push off, kick with the opposite foot, accelerate into the space. Okay, so it's there, foot over, push off, accelerate away to the space. Okay, try and do it all at speed. So it's in quick, over, push, accelerate away. Okay, slow it down as much as you can, pause, stop it, work at your own speed. Let me know how you're getting on in the comments.